will be 10 seconds of immunity.
Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No immunity left.
Where is he?
I know where he is. He's behind a tree.
Oh, there he is. Oh no, that's a slow weapon, I think.
The Mexican standoff has begun. Shot. Boom. They've shot. They did. The winner is, for round 1, Alex. There will be 10 seconds of immunity. It starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The 10 seconds of immunity is now finished. Where is he? He's taken his first shot and it has missed. He's get the range. Max is going up higher. Oh, he took a shot and nearly hit me. He just dropped a cliff, you dumb. And match has been sniped. How do you feel?
I don't feel very good.
Lost to 2, lost twice. Now, how do you feel?
Amazing.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so we have 10 seconds of immunity. This is for the winner because we are both on 1 win.
And then
Whoever
the
wins
winner will
this
verse
wins.
the
winner
two
will
losers.
verse the 2 losers. 10
Let's
seconds
go.
of immunity. So he's hiding behind the bench. We're going to stand off here. Hey guys, this is for second place. Max is being a weirdo. So Alex won, he's behind the camera. And 10 seconds of immunity as always. We need Max to get ready. Max, hurry up. We're about to start and let's go.
Let's go, Max. Hurry up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is Max doing? He's leaving his gun. Where's Harry?
Decoy.
Max is doing something random. Hop in the middle, Max. He's hitting me. Oh, and Max is dead. Max is dead. Winner, second place goes to me. And the winner goes to me. And the loser goes to Max. Sorry, Max, but you lost.
Oh, what?
You lost.
What do you think?
Now come back up here.
Where is my bullet?
Here we go.
There's no bullet.
Okay. Say bye to the video, Max. Max, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next video. Bye.